Isabel here, ready to start my own YouTube channel. For those of you that know me, I just finished grad school and I moved out to LA where I am pursuing acting. But my ultimate dream is to have my own production company where I can make the kind of films that I want to make. There's a problem. I don't know any other skills besides acting. Anytime that I've thought of starting a production company, I get filled with a lot of negative self-talk. Things like, you're not good enough, you can't do it, the learning curve is so great, what's the point? There are so many other people out there doing the exact thing that you want to do, but better. You couldn't do it before, what makes you think you could do it now? I am done with it. It is 2022 and I'm ready to turn over a new leaf and learn some new skills. I've made 3 goals for 2022. My first goal is to learn 2 new things a week and practice them. Most likely, I'll just watch like a little short YouTube video and then I'm gonna practice it. My second goal is to put out a video each week sharing my progress. Ta-da! My third goal is to learn 1 Bible verse every week. I'm already a little behind, but I'm hoping that starting today, I can keep this a regular thing moving forward. The first YouTube video that I decided to watch was how to shoot cinematic iPhone footage. This was Steve from Learn Online Video. I put the link below. And he's using an iPhone 11, I'm using an iPhone 6, and also I just don't know what I'm doing. So this is gonna be challenging. I missed the wide angle, but I did try the heel toe walking forward, but maybe too fast. Tapping and holding focus. I thought I was doing that, but I guess not. I tried tilting up and tilting down. I did lots of looking up and rotating. Probably too much. The light flicker was hard because it was a very overcast day, so there was really no sun. But I'm very proud of myself for getting out there and trying it. It feels good to be out in nature, getting some exercise, sort of, and trying to be creative and learning some new skills. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and join me next time for ground up skill grabbing.